Hey, today we're going to take a look at ChatGPT and answer some of your questions. It could generate content, it could generate code, and I could actually correct errors in some of your code. Here's an example of me using ChatGPT to generate an article that's 1,000 words about large language models. It's indistinguishable from that of an actual person writing an article, although I'm not sure that all the information in this article is correct. Now, for the real question. Can we use ChatGPT to help us or actually solve problems on LeetCode? Let's take a look. Here's an example of me using ChatGPT to actually solve an easy problem on LeetCode. Although it's an easy problem, it passes all the test cases flawlessly. Here's also an example of me using ChatGPT to answer a hard problem on LeetCode. Wow, can you believe that? We can actually solve hard problems on LeetCode using ChatGPT. Now, you may ask yourself, does this render our experience as software engineers useless? I say no. Why? Because sometimes the output of the model is actually incorrect, and it takes somebody who actually knows what the correct solution looks like to have an understanding of when the model is incorrect. As we can see here on the website of ChatGPT, the output isn't guaranteed to be correct, but it could sound like it is correct. To an inexperienced software engineer or inexperienced programmer, we can have an output that looks right but is actually wrong. But we can see that if we ask the right questions, it can actually give us better answers. This goes back to the old saying, if you define a question appropriately, then you'll find the answer inside the question. Now that we've played around with GPT, what are my thoughts? I would actually go out of my way and pay for it. Why? Because it actually helped me in my day-to-day work. It reduced the amount of thinking that I had to do in terms of generating functions, refactoring code, and actually trying to figure out how to implement certain methods. It goes a step beyond Copilot. Since I can have a back and forth interaction with ChatGPT, it feels more like I have an assistant to actually help me with my code. And it eliminates the need for us to think about the small problems while we can focus on bigger picture, large-scale solutions. It also makes rapid prototyping easy. Here's an example of me generating a template in ChatGPT for Fast API. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know what your thoughts are, and let me know, are you scared of this technology?